Hi, I received this monk fruit sweetener as a gift so that I could try it out and give my opinion on it. So I tried it on a couple of different things. Here you can see I'm trying it in a cup of coffee. This is erythritol sweetener plus monk fruit extract. It looks just like sugar. It tastes sweet. And I'm just putting it in my coffee here. The coffee is hot and the sweetener dissolved in the hot coffee just like a teaspoon of sugar would. And so it tasted actually very, very good. I really like that pour spout on it that you can see. Here I am putting a teaspoon in a bowl of yogurt for breakfast, and that was very good. Once again, it's got the pour spout with the screw-on lid. And then I also tried it on a small bowl of strawberries, and that was actually really good too. So I do really recommend this sweetener.